So, here we have a battery. And problem with the battery is this little connector. We need to take this apart slightly and get to that connector and try and get it reattached. So I don't really have any more information about this, like what this battery is manufacturer is or anything. All I know is it's for a mobility scooter. Well, that's fun. That appears to be completely stripped. Let's try a little bit larger bit. Alright, we got that going. We'll have to move this screw, like move a screw from another side, because like once that goes back in, there's a good chance it's not coming back out. And it was already missing at least one screw. Alright, let's set that down. Well, that's fun. I don't know what that is. Whatever it is, it's alive. It's not a roach. Something else. Alright, so we need to get to this connector. Looks like we have some screws on the inside of here. One. We have two. This should actually be, hopefully, enough. That'll go through. Gotta make sure I'm not making contact with these wires while it's plugged in. And there we go. Here's the part we need to repair. Set that down. Well, let's see. This one should be adequate for this. All we need to do is just heat this up and get that back on there. Probably strip a little bit of that. So let me start with that. Just take a little bit more. Take a little bit more of this off. If I can. Grab a piece of shrink wrap. Yeah, I got a tool bag for when I go out to people. It's a connector for a battery, a mobility scooter. So what I'm probably going to need to do is we'll get this on there. I'm going to heat that up and see if any solder comes out. Because that's... maybe, Emily, I don't know. This looks like half of it is missing. Looks like it got pinched. So, let's pull this out. Let's grab this. Hold that like that. Zip tie around the handle. 2 zip ties around the handle. Get that nicely gripped. Zipped in. We're gonna use my I don't know, we're gonna find out. We're gonna use my El Cheapo solder wick here. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. That's a lot of smoke. No, I think it's broken. The rest of them aren't half sleeves. I don't think that's going to come out. I think I'm just going to have to solder the new wire in place behind this. Because I'm pretty sure the other end of this is the actual connector. So I moved that out of the way now. Let's see if we can't just kind of feed that in there like so. Let's see what happens. In this case scenario, I got to start over. And this should soak this up pretty quick. Alright, so that guy's on there. Check for continuity here. Yep, so there's our heat shrink right there. I've made that mistake one too many times. Alright, we got continuity. Let me just move this down all the way over the connector. And then gently rub it down into place so it does not move. All right. That's a interesting find. What is this even from? Was this just inside there? Just this random screw just popped out of here. I don't see where it could have come from. Yeah, I don't... Unless this is supposed to be the bottom of this? I don't even see some place for this to physically fit. Anyways. Here. All the way over here. Sure, we hope we don't start a fire. Let's back in. You can see someone else has been in here before me. All right, screws back in. I'm okay at walking, Emily. Still trip over my own feet all the time. Okay. That's it. It's done. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.